My name is Lynn Morsky. I'm a physician, attorney, quitting evangelist, podcast host, author, and the chief medical editor for Prime. Today was an experience. We did a ton of different types of breath work that all together could create this transformational experience, and did for me. Like it got me to release things that I hadn't been able to release before. And then we went into the science of it, which was really, as a physician, something that I loved hearing, because I love knowing why it works, because then we could know how to apply it in different situations. And they went over that. They're like, okay, if you want to get more energized, use this. If you want to get less energized, use this. And I would tell anybody who's thinking about Soma to definitely give it a try. There are no drawbacks whatsoever, and it's all benefit. You are going to learn breathing techniques that help your sinuses. You're going to learn breathing techniques that help you decrease your stress. You're going to learn breathing techniques that'll help you avoid different types of symptoms in other areas of your life, like acid reflux or sleep apnea. There are so many things you can do with these techniques. And you can use a little daily dose and just start your day with it every day. So from using it for maintenance, or using it to get to a higher level, or using it to make yourself heal from the inside, it's really worth it to give it a try. Steve was incredible as a facilitator. You could tell he was in a total flow state when he was leading us today. He's so impassioned about what Soma has done for him, and you can tell it's his mission in life to pass it along to us, and he just gets transformed when he's doing that. And so it was lovely to have Steven as a facilitator.